Hi guys, and welcome back. So no bike ride would be right without a blast along the autobahn, so why not? Let's just tug everything up and then we'll go for a ride. Now it'll just be a quick squirt along the autobahn, basically because it's freezing. So, reverse gear, reverse her out. I do love that feature. It is excellent. See what this car's going to do, and then go. And then, even though it's cold winter, you still swing into a corner. Not as exaggerated or as fast as you would during the summer, basically because the tyres won't have the grip in this weather. When I hit the autobahn, I'll put the visor down as well. Do you know, life is just so damn good. So we'll hit the autobahn, go down one junction, come off at my junction, and the need for speed. Grant, I hope this video's helped, and I hope it's helped others that are either considering or thinking about ownership of a K1600, because I mean, she really is an amazing bike. There isn't another bike on the market that will give you what the K1600 can. Now I see people with a lot of the Goldwings and the Harleys, and don't get me wrong, they are great bikes. But for me, not so. Nothing can touch my K1600. And that's the reason why I can spend 6.5 hours a day riding, because it puts a smile right there. And I have that smile regardless of what weather. So even in the rain, there's no such thing as bad weather, just inappropriate clothing. Don't know who said that, but that's so damn true. Another patch of black ice. I swung a little bit too vigorously then. Oh, man, I gotta learn sometimes. But the one thing that a K1600 will do, it'll look after you. It'll improve your riding, and when you get in tuned with a K1600, it's one of the most wonderful feelings ever, because you can feel everything coming through the bike, and I feel it through the inside of my thigh. Not there, the thigh. because it's the closest thing to the engine, and right by where the chassis bar is, that's where you feel it. Now the one thing as well that you have to remember with the K1600, it wasn't a bike and then they went, let's build a bigger engine for it. It was a ground up rebuild. So it was the engine first, that engine, and then it was the chassis, and then the suspension, and the drivetrain, and it was all built around the engine. So when I refer to this big heart of a motor, that's exactly what it is. The heart of this motor is this big 1649cc engine, because there isn't another bike like it. Yep, there's an 1800 Harley, there's an 1800 Sofa, Goldwing, but none of them can do what a K1600 does. None of them gives you the feel that a K1600 does. So it is totally different and it's absolutely unique. Now I'm just coming up to where my entrance onto the autobahn is. So when I do that, I'm going to put the visor down. So I'm going to do that now. And then we'll take a hit going along the autobahn. I've only got to go one junction, but I can either go the back roads or we can do the fun roads. Yay! So we'll do the fun roads. This is not the best ventilated helmet. Now, actually saying that, it might be just the fact that the BMW 1600 is protecting me so well, it's keeping all the wind away from me. But that'll be with this screen, not the standard screen. So my entrance onto the autobahn is about 1,000 or so meters ahead, so that's not too bad. Little Mr. Audi thinks he's going to beat me away. He can't at all. Head towards Nuremberg. I've only got to go one junction, so it's not that far. But it's one junction done very, very quickly, regardless of whatever weather it is. Then I can get in and get some heat on, because I am freezing. My fault for I should be putting the thermals on, but I didn't. I got the thermals on, but I should have also put on I should also put on the outer layers as well. Just so you know, she's in dynamic suspension and compression today. If I was going for a long road trip, I'd put her on road and then load her up fully. And here we go. Feed onto the autobahn. The autobahn's looking really good at the minute, so that's not too bad. So check the slot to make certain when I'm coming in. Plenty of room. It's Sunday morning, so there's no traffic around. And then here we go. That is the rush. That is yes. Man and machine in harmony. And then nice and sedate around the corners, not too much lean. Miss all the kinks in the road because the tarmac didn't set properly, and there's all that little jigs. And that is the K1600. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, subscribe below and give me a big thumbs up. If you have any other ideas or any questions, just ask. I'm always open to answering questions or looking for ideas of what we can do. Different ideas and different ways of doing things, because this is our channel. This is the K1600, so this is Sam as learning and teaching that this is our K1600 channel. So it's life and living with a BMW K1600. Mine is called Sam. I'm the Navy SEAL, and welcome. So if you like everything, say hi. And Grant, you've made the right choice. The K1600 is an amazing bike. Find your Google translator and the 1600 will translate to you exactly what she's feeling. And it took me a bit of a time to find out my Google translator for Sam, and it came in the Road Pilots, so the Road Pilot 4 GTs. That told me who Sam was, what she was, and what she was doing. And now I wouldn't have any other bike. I love riding her slow. As you can see, I also like riding her quick, and I like touring with her, and she does everything that I need to and more. She's actually better than I am. I left one of the wings open for the summer to cool you down. Strangely, today you don't actually need it. Underground car parks, don't you just love them? But it's the best place for security to look after my little Sam. And it also means it's a fantastic echo chamber. And that's something you can't beat. I hope you like the video, and I hope it's helped. If it has, great. If not, but let's see what the future videos can bring. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you on the rise.